In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Slack. By the end, you'll have the official Google Calendar app opened inside your Slack workspace, ready to help you stay on top of meetings and updates without leaving your channels. Start by opening Slack in your desktop app or web browser and signing into the workspace where you want the integration. Once you're in, look for the admin section. Depending on your role and workspace layout, this may be in the left sidebar or under your workspace controls. Click Admin to access workspace tools and settings. From there, open Apps and Workflows. This is the central place for discovering, installing, and managing apps that connect with Slack. If your organization already has Google Calendar installed, you'll see it listed. In that case, simply click Google Calendar to proceed. If you're a first-time user and don't see it yet, click Browse to open the app directory. In the directory's search bar, type Calendar. This helps narrow results to calendar-related tools. When the suggestion to see all results for Calendar appears, click that to get the full list. Now find the official Google Calendar app in the results and click it to open its dedicated page. On the Google Calendar app page, take a moment to review the tabs so you know exactly what you're enabling. Click Description to read a high-level overview of what the app does in Slack. Things like getting event reminders, seeing daily schedules, and updating your status during meetings. Next, click Features to scan the specific capabilities available in the app, which can help you understand what notifications and controls you'll have directly in Slack. Move on to Configuration to see how the app fits into your workspace, including any settings your admins might manage. Then open Security and Compliance to understand how data is handled. Within that area, click Scopes to see the permissions the app will request. This tells you what information it can access so you can confirm it aligns with your organization's policies. If needed, review pricing to understand any plan considerations for your workspace, and check supported languages to confirm it's available in the languages you use. When you're ready to connect it, look for the button to open the app in Slack. If the app is already installed for your organization, click Open in Slack. If it isn't installed yet, click Install, choose the correct Slack workspace from the list, and confirm to proceed. After that, click Open in Slack again to launch the app experience. If your browser prompts you to open a link, click the option to open this link in your browser so you're taken straight into Slack with the app activated. Back in Slack, locate the Google Calendar app in your sidebar or the Apps section and click Google Calendar to open its app home. This is your hub for seeing upcoming events, adjusting notification preferences, and managing how the integration shows your availability. You may be asked to sign into your Google account and allow permissions so the app can read your calendar and post updates on your behalf. Approve those prompts to complete the connection. A few practical tips as you wrap up. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're connecting the one that holds the calendar you use for work. Double check your time zone and working hours in Google Calendar so Slack reminders arrive at the right time. If your organization uses Do Not Disturb schedules, be aware that calendar notifications will respect those settings. And if you don't see the admin option or can't install apps, you might need a workspace admin to grant access or approve the app for your workspace. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now linked to Slack and you're ready to receive event reminders, see schedules, and keep your team updated on your meeting status without context switching.